Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This is the service section on Finty's settings menu. If you're in the business of providing services or selling goods along with services, this part is useful for you. Whether you fix phones, laptops, cars, home appliances, and etc., you should list all the services you offer on Finty, as it's crucial to have them on the Finty software. To add a new service, click on New and type the service name, for example, screen replacement, and give an estimated price as a starting point. It doesn't have to be exact. You can change it when making or issuing invoices. For example, let's say $50. Currency settings are already sorted in the user's menu, and save. As you see, the service is added, screen replacement. You can simplify this by adding the most common services, but if you run into unexpected issues during a fix or a repair, like finding more problems with a device you're repairing, just add different services in the Repair Shop Management. Let me show that too. Let's go to Repair Shop Management menu and, for example, go to Status under Repair and click on a client's invoice. This might seem a little bit complicated, but you don't have to worry about it, as I'm going to talk about it in a status video, of course. But in short, this part is for when clients bring in devices for repair. As you see, you can add products or the services you provide in here without the need to go back to the settings menu and adding those products or services. It makes managing things more straightforward and easier. As this video is about service, let's go to service. As you see, these are the services for this invoice. You can search for services here, or you can go and click on add new service to add the service name. For example, battery replacement, and of course add a price and save. As you see, it got added on the list battery replacement and also in the settings menu, services. As you see, battery replacement is added here as well. You don't directly work with the service section. You can add new services when making invoices, whether in the warehouse menu or repair shop menu. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye.